Guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. This reading is about harnessing or crossing the boundaries related to your limitations. Um, Understanding what limitations are can also help you to understand that those limitations are just things that are basically being put on your path to not only test you but to make you stronger. Once you are aware of those, they can actually help you to move to your goal quicker. Be the light, connect with light energy. Set your sights much higher, and surrounding yourself with protective energy. When you set your sights higher, you actually create a vision that can also help with manifestation. Thank you.